In the United States, children's weight has increased dramatically over the past decades. A large fraction of children are overweight or obese. At the same time, children's milk consumption has fallen, while their soda consumption has increased. In fact, children's consumption of soda has more than doubled from 1977 to 2001. So it's natural to think that maybe there's a connection here, that the increase in children's weight is tied to the decrease in their milk consumption and the increase in their soda consumption. Previous studies that have looked at changes in children's beverage consumption over time have largely been small-scale studies in one particular geographic area. What our study brings is that we use a large nationally representative data set. Our study has over 7,000 children in it. What this allows us to do is to look not just at all children within the United States, but also to look at subgroups, to look at boys, to look at girls, to look at whites, Hispanics, and black children separately. Surprisingly, we found that changes in children's milk consumption aren't related to their changes in sweetened beverage consumption. Even though milk consumption fell between 5th and 8th grade among children in our study, that change in milk consumption was not statistically significantly related to children's change in sweetened beverage consumption. What we did find was that changes in milk consumption were related to changes in children's consumption of 100% fruit juice. But here the finding is again surprising, in that when children's milk consumption increased, their fruit juice consumption also increased. So we find no evidence that sweetened beverages are displacing either milk or 100% fruit juice from children's diets. It's important to understand whether, as children's sweetened beverage consumption has increased, whether their consumption of more nutritious drinks, milk and 100% fruit juice, has decreased. We don't find that that appears to be the case, but certainly there's more research to be done here in this area. It's important for us to understand the role of sweetened beverages and other drinks in children's diets and as part of their entire caloric intake.